Over the last month, Alden, it's nice to see it, but is it kind of every day there's a chance?
A little bit. As we head through the rest of the week, our chances are going to be getting a little bit smaller and smaller, but those that are seeing the rain right now are lucking out. Some of us here in the metro saw almost 3 inches of rain yesterday, so definitely very beneficial for a lot of us. Here's Max HD radar. We're going to do a little bit of a radar tour here, first starting to the west of the city, and we'll see a couple of tiny downpours near New Amsterdam and Leavenworth. These aren't severe, and they're probably going to be raining themselves out. To our south is where we really have the active rain at the moment. E-Town, you have a very healthy downpour over you right now. This was moving southwest, but now it's starting to move almost due west. Again, something we typically don't see around here. And in Grayson County, Litchfield, you just had some light to moderate rain falling over you. Otherwise, you kind of have been split there by 2 separate areas of downpours. Bonneville and Hart County about to get some fairly heavy rain at the moment as well. But Adair County has really been the winner. Columbia, you just had some very heavy rainfall push through your community, but this is now moving to the southwest out of the area. Gradyville, you're still in the middle of some of that heavy rain, and you can make out all of those lightning strikes there, but nothing is severe at the moment. But this is still good rainfall to hopefully stave off the drought that has been developing. In fact, as we look at our rainfall totals today, Columbia, the big winner, picking up almost 1.5 inches. We've missed out today here in Louisville, only about 1/100 of an inch, maybe some on the southern line there of Jefferson and Bullitt counties. Munfordville about 1/4 of an inch, but I suspect you'll be seeing that number increase a little bit as well here, especially in E-Town, where some of you probably also picked up another quick inch of rainfall. Here's a look at futurecast through this evening and into tonight. We'll notice that rain eventually coming to a close as it loses its fuel from the daytime sunshine, and overnight temperature is going to stay fairly mild for us. Maybe some light showers tomorrow morning into the late morning and early afternoon hours, but then we'll once again be battling cloud cover, and similar to today, if we get just even a brief break in the clouds, that sunshine will really warm our temperatures up. Tomorrow also being the first day of summer, it's going to be a bit on the mild side by June and summer standards. Heading into Thursday morning, still mostly cloudy. Our rain chances, though, will be greatly diminishing by then. Maybe still a couple of isolated showers heading into the afternoon hours, but I think most of that rain is going to be along the I-75 corridor where it's actually the driest. So that rain is going to be the most beneficial for them, as that's where those moderate drought conditions currently are. As we look at our hometown forecast for tomorrow, when summer begins at 10:57 or 10:58 a.m. Eastern time, only around 80 degrees, middle to upper 70s elsewhere. Winds will be out of the east and northeast around 15 miles per hour. So really, it's going to feel quite comfortable. I would suggest you enjoy tomorrow, the next couple of days, because we are going to be warming up quite a bit this weekend. Back into the middle 80s on Saturday, near 90 degrees on Sunday. Weekend looking largely dry for us. Rain likely not returning on Sunday until later on in the evening. And we anticipate there being much higher humidity, so that means you're really going to feel how muggy it is as you walk outside. More rain possible come next Monday.